It's not every day we go to where it all started, but here we are at the world's first Kentucky Fried Chicken. That's right, boys and girls. We are here at Harland Sanders' original shop, the restaurant that did it all, right in there. So we're going to take a look-see so we can see it all in action. I told you, I wasn't the only thing finger-licking good in this town, so here we are. Woo, yeah, doggy. Right there it is. There it is. Yeah, buddy. You know it's finger licking good. Woo, yeah. Oh, the life of Harland Sanders. There it is. 1964. Oh, he died in 1980 on December 16th. Now that is a shame. I've always loved the Colonel. He's always been a big part of my house. We got these pumps here. Look, they're very pure. Now, you know, just so everyone knows, Colonel Sanders, Harland Sanders, I want to keep on calling him Colonel, but he was a man before he was a colonel. He was a baby before he was a man. And that's why he's Harland Sanders. Right here. Oh, look at that. Joined the Army at age 16 and sees service in Cuba. Here they are welcoming us to the Harland Sanders Cafe and Museum with the 11 herbs and spices in this town. So we're going to check out a little bit more down this way. Since I can't say the word welcoming. Oh, ooh, looky inside there. It looks like a beautiful place. It's almost like home. Oh, there's more over here, guys. Look at the Sanders Cafe. Look at how beautiful this place is from this angle. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Before he was the colonel, he was a man. His name was Harland Sanders. And right here he is. Right here is his suit. I never thought I'd ever see this in person, but here we are in Corbin, Kentucky, to see all of this. Wow.
Our employee, he wouldn't understand all of the positions, of course, that were represented in the room. But I think he would probably say,
there's some driver's license.
whatever it is you do, I know it has to.
So we're not bothering other people. We're going to go this way. Right here is the early years. How it all started back in the day. There's some recipes right here. There's chest pie, butter thin pancakes. Harland Sanders for senator. This place is pretty bright, actually. Here's the history of the bucket. Look at all these buckets. What's your favorite bucket? Look at all these buckets throughout the years. Look, they even made a little Christmas bucket right there. This little Funko bucket. It looks like a Pepsi bucket or something, more Christmas ones. There's buckets and buckets and buckets galore, and how the little boxes look like little chicken nuggets right there. I like to go to that one. You got Star Wars up here. Hankies. And look over here, we got more Star Wars stuff over here. There's Buckethead. People know who Buckethead is. More Star Wars.
And when you're telling your children, be sure you tell it at least once.
All this advertising right here. And here's what KFC's looked over the years. Disney World. We got all kinds of bottles over here from around the world, maybe. Yeah, it's Japanese, Chinese.
It helps the crime. Now, the monitor placed in and the monitor open with
What these little Mexican, all from around the world. We got a little sombrero, got a Hawaiian, a little Roman, Egyptian. Little fans here in case you got hot. You can just rub it up and down. Frisbees, comic books. I'd like to have that mask right there. Now that would be a collector's item. These look like they're from Mad Magazine or something. What time is it? It's Finger-Lickin good time right now. Look right there. Who will be the next colonel? Maybe you? Maybe. Right here he is. We've got our picture taken by Colonel Sanders right there. And the fancy shoes. Right there. There's the colonel's bucket, his chicken. So right here is a model motel room. Harland, the marketing genius, right there. He only had 2 rules: do all you can and do it the best you can. It's the only way you can ever get that feeling of accomplishing something in the bedroom. Right here, here's a motel and cafe, and here's what the bathrooms used to look like in here. So it wasn't bad for what it used to be. Here's 1940 site model, what it used to look like. His 11 herbs and spices. There seems to be 11 more than here, but I think the rest are secret. We'll never know. We'll never know. There's all kinds in here. Water pepper? I haven't even heard of some of these. What is that? Star Rise. Devil's Claw root? Who knows what I'm eating? Look at the packaging. See all those herbs and spices? Imagine you're Harland Sanders and have all those and more to choose from. Now experiment until you come up with the perfect blend of 11 to make the great flavor. So here they all are. So there's 11 of these. I don't know which 11 I would choose. I wonder if anyone's ever came close. It must be behind that door right there. It's a secret. Above, on the left, is a copy of the drawing Harland submitted to obtain his patent to cook chicken under pressure. The photo shows him holding a pressure cooker similar to the one he bought at a local Corbin hardware store, and ultimately used to perfect his recipe in 1939. So this is what the kitchen used to look like. Borax. Haven't seen one of them in a long time. Open kitchen and white everywhere. Harland was extremely focused on cleanliness and quality. Large openings in the wall so his customers could watch his attention to detail. Well, with that said, we're going to check out this right here one last time and see if this was the original dining room tables. This place shows one of the only remaining tables, chairs, and hutch from the cafe. Yeah. Here's an apron that they used to wear back in the day. There it is. Red and white striped uniforms. Right up here is where you can order today and eat. All of this at the KFC. Alright, it's time to bid adieu. It's time to get on out of here so we can try to discover the secret of the 11 spices ourselves. Remember, if you're in the area of Corbin, Kentucky, stop in to eat here so you can eat at the original place for KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken.